Welcome to the Magic Garden with your host, Farmer Zeek.
Hello, lovers of life. I'm Farmer Zeek. We have a very special show for you today. We're going to make a magical recipe that will make the flowers in your life shine. Do you want to help me with that today? Well, you are so wonderful, but I'm also going to need some help here today at the table. So I've invited my special friend, an artist, and a beautiful person to help me. Come on out, Gina.
Hi, Farmer Zeek.
Well, hello, Gina. The proportions are very important here, so follow along. The first ingredient is the color of the rainbow. It takes just 3. I think I'll take a few for myself.
Zeek. 1, 2, and 3.
The next ingredient are the seeds of joy and light. It's strong stuff, so you only need a little to make a difference.
Well, it looks like someone's been dipping into these.
The final ingredient is love. It takes more love than anything, so take just 4 parts love.
4, okay.
4.
We've got 1 and 2. One more. What do you think?
Always.
1 more?
Here, have another.
Oh.
It's on me.
Look
Okay.
at this. 1 more. Oh my God, is it good? Yeah, let me try. Boy, that is so,
We'll be right back after a word from our sponsor. Give me that.
The Magic Garden is presented by Arts One Presents. Arts One Presents empowers artists, enriches businesses, and engages community through accessible and inclusive visual and performing arts experiences.
Do you think we use too much love, Farmer Zeek?
Gina, you can never have too much love.